everyone. Welcome back to English Explores. Oh my gosh, I can barely contain my excitement today.
Whoa, Yina, easy there. You're gonna blow out the speakers. But hey everyone, I'm Sam, and yes, we are incredibly pumped today.
Sorry. I had 3 cups of coffee this morning, and we're talking about something that literally changed how I speak English.
3 cups? Hina, we need to talk about your caffeine addiction. But yes, today's topic is huge.
I know. Okay, so before we dive into the chaos, and trust me, it's going to be chaotic in the best way possible, let's connect with our amazing family.
Yes, so everyone out there, wherever you are in this beautiful world, comment right now. Where are you watching from?
Are you in New York, Mumbai, Karachi, London, Tokyo? We want to see every single location. Last week, we had someone watching from Antarctica. Antarctica.
I know, right? That was insane. So drop your city, your country, even your neighborhood. Let's build this global community.
And here's my sneaky question for you all. Have you ever used shall in a conversation? Be honest. Comment yes or no.
Ooh, that's a good one because I have a feeling most of you will say no, and that's exactly why this episode is so important.
And one more thing, if you're watching this right now and you've been struggling with English grammar, feeling confused, maybe even frustrated, softer, emotional, I want you to know we've been there. We get you. And today, we're going to make this so clear you'll wonder why you ever found it confusing.
Absolutely. Now smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's do this.
Okay, Sam, confession time. I once thought shall and should were the same word.
Sam gasps dramatically. What? No way. Tell me this is a joke.
I'm dead serious. I was like 16 years old, and I thought shall was just the fancy British version of should.
Oh, Hina, that's actually adorable and terrifying at the same time.
But listen. I wasn't completely wrong. They are related. They're like, searching for words, like cousins.
You know what? That's actually not a bad analogy. They're in the same modal verb family, but they have very different personalities.
Yes, exactly. So let me blow everyone's mind right now. Shall is basically dying in American English.
Wait, what? Are you telling me shall is on its deathbed?
Pretty much. In America, people almost never use shall in everyday conversation. It sounds super formal, old-fashioned, almost Shakespearean.
Shall we dance, my lady? Yeah, that's not how Americans talk.
Exactly. But here's the plot twist. In British English, India, Pakistan, and many other countries, shall is still alive and kicking.
Okay, so this is a cultural thing, too.
Absolutely. And I want everyone listening to understand this. Neither way is wrong, it's just different.
Okay, quick poll, everyone. Where are you from, and do people use shall in your country? Comment below. We're genuinely curious.
Yes, let's see how global this difference is.
All right, so let's break down shall properly. Hina, when do we use it?
Okay, so shall has a few uses. Number 1, making suggestions or offers, especially with I or we.
Example voice. Shall we go to the movies? Or shall I help you with that?
Perfect. And notice it sounds polite, sophisticated, but in American English, people would just say, should we go? Or do you want me to help?
So it's more formal?
Exactly. Use number 2. In legal documents, contracts, formal writing, like the tenant shall pay rent by the 1st of each month.
Ooh, that's very official.
Right? You'll see shall all over legal documents. It means obligation, like must.
Everyone, have you ever seen shall in a contract or official document? Think about it and comment.
And here's use number 3, which is super rare but still exists. Expressing future intention, especially in formal speech, like, I shall return.
I shall never surrender. Very dramatic.
Yes, very theatrical. That's why it sounds old-fashioned to modern ears.
All right, now let's talk about the superstar of the family, should.
Oh my gosh, yes. Should is everywhere. It's like the most popular kid in school.
A great analogy. So, Hina, tell everyone, when did you really understand should?
Okay, so this is actually a touching story. Voice softens. I was going through a really rough time in college. I was confused about my career, my future, everything.
I remember those days. They're tough.
Yeah. And my best friend sat me down and said, Hina, you should follow your heart. You should stop worrying about what others think. You should trust yourself.
Aw, that's beautiful.
And in that moment, I realized should is about advice, guidance, wisdom. It's softer than must, gentler than have to.
It's like a caring friend giving you direction, not a boss giving you orders.
Exactly. And that's why should is so important in English. It shows care, concern, recommendation.
Everyone, think about this. What's the best advice someone gave you using should? Comment below. Let's share some wisdom.
Sorry, I got emotional there. But you see, that's the power of should. It carries emotion.
Don't apologize. That's what makes language beautiful. Now, let's break down the uses of should.
Yes. Okay, use number 1, giving advice or recommendations.
You should drink more water. You should watch that movie. You should try this restaurant.
And it's not forceful, it's friendly, helpful.
Use number 2, expressing what's right or correct.
Students should respect their teachers. We should recycle to protect the environment.
It's about moral obligation, expected behavior.
Use number 3, and this one confuses people, expressing probability or expectation.
Give me an example of that.
Okay, imagine your friend's flight lands at 5 p.m. It's now 5:30. You'd say, they should be here any minute now.
Oh, so you're expecting it based on logic.
Exactly. Or the package should arrive tomorrow. You're not 100% sure, but you expect it.
That's such a subtle but important use.
And use number 4, expressing regret or criticism about the past. This is where we use should have.
Ah, the land of regrets.
Yeah, like, I should have studied harder. I should have been more careful. I should have said yes.
Reflective. We've all been there. Those should have moments that keep us up at night.
You know, Sam, I should have told my grandmother I loved her more often before she passed away.
Hina, I think she knew, but I understand that feeling.
Sorry, everyone. I didn't expect to get this emotional today, but that's real life, right? Language carries our emotions, our regrets, our hopes.
That's what makes you an amazing teacher, Hina. You're real. You're human.
Okay, let me pull myself together. Deep breath. Where were we?
All right, now comes the main event. Shall versus should. Let's get ready to rumble.
Yes, boxing match. In this corner, we have the formal, old-school shall, and in this corner, the friendly, modern should.
Announcer voice. Ladies and gentlemen, who will win?
Okay, so let's do this comparison properly. Similarity number 1. Both are modal verbs.
Check. They don't change form. No shalls or shoulds with he, she, or it.
Similarity number 2. Both can be used for suggestions.
Shall we go versus should we go?
But notice the difference. Shall we go sounds more formal, more polite, more British.
Shall we have tea, darling?
Stop. Your British accent is terrible. But yes, that's exactly it.
Meanwhile, should we go is casual, relaxed, American.
Dude, should we grab some pizza?
Perfect. Now that's American.
Okay, big difference number 1. Formality level.
Shall equals formal, official, traditional. Should equals casual, friendly, modern.
Continuing, big difference number 2, usage frequency.
Shall equals rare in everyday speech, common in legal or formal writing. Should equals super common everywhere.
And here's the thing everyone needs to understand. If you're learning English and you want to sound natural in conversation, use should way more than shall.
Absolutely. Unless you're a lawyer, a judge, or you're writing a formal contract, stick with should.
Everyone, real talk moment. Have you been using shall in everyday conversation? Comment and be honest.
And if you have, that's okay. We just want you to understand how it sounds to native speakers.
Now let me give you all some real-world scenarios.
Yes, I love this part.
Scenario 1. Imagine you're with friends deciding what to eat. You would not say, shall we order Chinese food? You'd say, should we order Chinese food?
Yes, shall would sound weird and overly formal with friends.
Scenario 2. But imagine you're at a fancy business meeting. You might say, shall we begin the presentation? To sound professional.
That works. It shows respect and formality.
Scenario 3. Giving advice to a friend. You should take a break. Perfect. Natural. But you shall take a break. That sounds like a command from a king.
You shall take a break, peasant. Medieval voice.
Exactly. See how weird that sounds?
Okay, everyone, your turn. Create one sentence with shall and one with should and comment them. Let's practice together.
Yes, and we'll read them. No judgment, only learning.
All right, Hina, it's time for your favorite segment.
Oh no, is it common mistakes time?
Yes, and I know you have strong feelings about this.
Strong feelings, Sam. These mistakes make me want to cry. They make me want to pull my hair out.
Okay, calm down. Tell us mistake number 1.
Okay, mistake number 1. Using shall in negative form for advice.
What do you mean?
Example. People say, you shall not eat junk food, when they mean you shouldn't eat junk food.
Oh, shall not sounds like a commandment.
Yes, it sounds biblical, like thou shalt not steal. It's too strong.
So, we use shouldn't for advice, not shall not.
Thank you. Finally, someone gets it.
Mistake number 2?
Mixing up should and would. People say I should like to go when they mean I would like to go.
That's a tricky one.
Should is about advice or expectation. Would is about desire or preference. They're different.
I should exercise equals it's good for me, I ought to. I would exercise equals I want to, given the chance.
Perfect explanation, Sam. See, it's not that hard.
Mistake number 3, forgetting have in should have.
Oh my gosh, yes. People say I should went or I should do it yesterday.
Ouch, that hurts my ears.
It's I should have gone or I should have done it yesterday. The formula is should plus have plus past participle.
Everyone, repeat after me. I should have studied. Say it out loud. Seriously, say it right now.
Yes, practice makes perfect.
You know, Hina, I think the reason people make these mistakes is because they're thinking too much about rules and not enough about feeling.
You're absolutely right, Sam. Language isn't just rules. It's rhythm, it's music, it's emotion.
And that's what we want everyone to understand.
So please, everyone watching or listening, don't just memorize rules. Feel the language. Listen to how it sounds. Pay attention to the emotion behind the words.
All right, we're in the home stretch. Let's share some real-life stories.
Yes. Okay, so I want to tell everyone about this moment that changed everything for me.
I'm all ears.
So, I was at a job interview, my dream job, by the way, and the interviewer asked me, what should you bring to this role?
Okay, standard question.
And I said, I shall bring dedication, creativity, and hard work.
Oh, no.
I know. The interviewer looked at me like I was from the 1800s.
What did you do?
I quickly corrected myself. I said, sorry, I should, no wait, I will bring dedication, creativity, and hard work.
Good save.
And you know what? The interviewer smiled and said, I appreciate your honesty and your ability to correct yourself. That shows you're a learner.
That's beautiful. Did you get the job?
Yes, I got the job.
Amazing. See, everyone, mistakes are okay if you learn from them.
Exactly. And that's my message to all of you. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. They're proof that you're trying.
Everyone, share your story. Have you ever made an embarrassing English mistake? Comment below. Let's learn together.
And if your story gets featured in our next episode, we'll give you a special shout out.
You know what I love about this community we're building?
What's that?
We're not just teaching English, we're creating a safe space where people can be vulnerable, make mistakes, and grow.
Sam, that just made my heart so full. That's exactly what we wanted to create.
And look at us, over 40 minutes of just pure passion for language and helping people.
I know, we're such nerds, but I love it.
All right, everyone, we're at the end of this incredible journey.
Wow, 40 minutes flew by. But before we go, let me give you your homework.
Ooh, homework. Everyone pay attention.
Task number 1, write 5 sentences using should. Mix advice, expectations, and regrets.
Task number 2, try using shall in one formal situation this week, maybe an email or a professional message.
And task number 3, watch one English movie or show and count how many times you hear should versus shall.
And comment your results. We want to see what you discover.
Everyone, thank you. Seriously, from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for being here, for learning with us, for being part of this beautiful community.
You make this all worth it. Every comment, every like, every share, it means the world.
Remember, you should believe in yourself. You should keep trying, and you should be proud of how far you've come.
Whether you're just starting or you've been learning for years, you're doing amazing.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell.
Share this with anyone who needs it. This is Hina and Sam from English Explorers, reminding you language is love and we love you all.
See you next time.
Stay awesome.
Seriously, comment where you're from. We want to know.
Hina's never gonna let that go.
And tell me in the comments what type Nick's cover.
See you in the next episode. Bye, everyone.